Well, that was a lot of fun. I was able to maneuver that trailer quite a bit, all around in here, turn it around, take it tight into the corner. And then I took it all the way to the truck where if I were taking it on a job, that would be great. I could pull it up and then hook up and pull right out. Most likely I would have actually taken the truck outside and then pulled out to it and then been able to go straight up the hill. So that saves a lot of time from jockeying the trailer in here with the truck, which really takes a lot of time. I did take it up the hill a little bit. And again, this is a pretty, I've got a lot of weight in there. This trailer's weighing around, I'm guessing around 7,000 pounds or so loaded. And the instructions on this say don't exceed the incline that the machine is rated for, but I couldn't find what it was rated for. I wouldn't do that. I would take it out, move it around in a shop like this in a parking lot and a driveway. I'm not going to take a 75-pound tug, hook it up to a 7,000-pound trailer and drive it up a steep hill. Just the physics of that, no matter how strong it is, you've got weight against weight. I'm going to go ahead and hook it to my truck and drive off. That's the way the tool should be used. But I just wanted to test it for strength, and it was able to turn it around, take it up the incline, and start up the hill. It was still pulling, but when I would stop the motor, it would go backwards a little bit. And I had the pickup truck there. I had Chris in the pickup truck. I was going to have her get really close, and if it started going back, just let the trailer bump into the bumper of the truck just as an extra security. Didn't need to get to that point. I realized that it was just something that I didn't want to do, and it's something I wouldn't do in the real world. I just knew the question would be asked, how steep of a grade? I don't know, but I don't care who makes it or what it is, or if it weighs 75 pounds, I'm not going to haul a 7,000-pound trailer up a hill and take a chance of losing it. My trailer Valet that you've seen me use quite a bit, it was my tool of the year. I'm able to really maneuver with that thing, and it's pretty incredible compared to a truck. This one was exponentially more maneuverable because this is the pivot point under the tongue. So you can really spin it around and jockey the trailer in really tight positions, and when you're just a little bit off, it's so easy just to move just a little bit back and forth and get it in. So fantastic tool. For me, no. I wouldn't want to spend this kind of money, and the value's there. I mean, it's a quality tool. It costs a lot to make something like this, But for me moving one trailer or maybe two trailers around in an area like this, I think the Trailer Valet XL that I have, or the XL Pro, which I think I am going to get. I do like that extra power and the stand up of the Pro. So I think in the middle, that's kind of where I'm going to fall. But if I had a lot of trailers or a situation where I was really trying to maneuver them close together and into tight, super tight spaces, one feature of this that will be hard to give up, that's the wireless remote. So with anything else, I've got to be at the tongue, moving it around, and then I've got to go look and check and back and forth and look and check. It is really nice to be wireless and move around and be able to just, you know, jockey right where I want to be and get as close as I can to things. And so I think for speed wise, that would be a little quicker, a little simpler. And also if I had somebody moving the trailers around for me, I think this would be a really safe way to do it. Again, this, you know, with the wireless remote, they could move around, stay away from it, not going to be hurt because no strength required to push a couple of digital buttons. Well, Trailer Valet sent me this to demonstrate to you. It's going back to them tomorrow. I want to thank them for providing it. Again, just so that I could share it with you. They're not paying for this. It's not really a review. It's a demonstration. I just wanted to show you how it worked, and you can make up your own mind of whether something like this will fit in your needs or whether it would be the XL or the XL Pro. Again, they make a full range to fit the different needs that people have. This is the larger of the three RVRs, Rovers that they make. And currently I see that they're out of stock. I'm going to put these in, I'll put all three sizes in my Amazon store. But again, this one's out of stock, so I can't put it in right now. If I were going to buy one, I'd go full bang and get the heavy duty, just because even if I were pulling a lighter trailer, I'd want this one. In a case like this where you're talking about sheer power, I think more is more. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you know when I drop a new video. Also, you know about our Amazon store. You can click on the link right in the description of the video down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.